Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Unlock your phone and open Phonepe, then tap the QR icon in the top right. Allow camera access when asked because Phonepe scans live, otherwise you cannot use the camera. Point the phone steadily about 6 to 12 inches from the QR code and make sure the code fills the viewfinder without cutting edges. Once Phonepe recognizes the QR, it shows the receiver's name. Check it carefully, because that confirmation prevents paying the wrong account. Once the receiver is confirmed, enter the exact amount by tapping the amount field and typing numbers. Make sure decimal placement is correct to avoid overpaying. Then choose your payment source. UPI balance, a linked bank account, or Phonepe wallet, and understand why each matters. Wallets are instant. Banks use UPI mandates. If splitting or adding a note, do that now and take a quick look at any displayed cashback or charges. These affect your final value. Confirm all details, then tap Pay. Authenticate immediately with your UPI PIN or biometric confirmation, because delay can cancel the request. After successful payment, wait for the on-screen success message and note the transaction ID. Take a screenshot for record keeping. If the QR scan fails, try one fix. Wipe the camera lens, improve lighting, and steady the phone. If that still fails, ask for the merchant's UPI ID and enter it manually to complete the payment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.